Sparkvue is a tool, an interactive lab application that is based on the next generation science technologies. And as you can see, the kit on the right, where you can see a purple box next to a bunch of instrumentation, is basically what we're using in my um, agricultural biology class here at Woodland High School. And these technologies, this equipment, as you can see on the left side of the images, where a young lady is holding a digital screen, um, we use the same type of screens in our class, and that's how they record. And they could use multiple files to store their data from searching, for example, uh, pH levels, temperature levels, wind pressure, for example, uh, electrical conductivity test on soil to see to check how much, for example, salt is inside the soil. So these are some of the experiments, some of the lab procedures that the students do use. They're very fun. I really do recommend it. Now, the pros versus the cons is that the pros is that these particular applications and tools actually do help teachers and students learn, and it makes teaching a little bit more fun and easier, if you were to ask me. Now, the reason it is because they do teach real life agricultural science methods. These are the actual tools and methods that are used in the agricultural industry, and having students do these particular labs related to the industry, it's very beneficial for their future and their careers. Um, Now they're using relevant scientific measuring tools, as I just explained, and engaging students in the industry related technologies, possibly the best thing that we could provide for the students, having prepared for the future. Now, what makes this product different is that it is a wireless sensor, um, handheld tools that stores data. Okay, very interactive, innovative, smart. Cart allows also for multiple types of tests to be run at the same time. There's also an interactive textbook, which allows students quick access for more research and information regarding the PASCO tools and methods. And there's also a website that helps you with more resources and information. Here are some of the cons when using these particular tools and applications is that they are wireless, which means that you need to charge them. Okay, and charging the batteries do take some time. You need to prepare the class ahead of time to make sure that your instrumentation is fully charged. This kit is expensive. Okay, it's not something that you could just pick up on the local store and buy these instrumentation. It's actually something that you have to order from the website. It's very sensitive instrumentation. Like, again, it takes time to set up, takes time to train, and in order to fix this or to replace these types of instrumentation, it also takes a lot of time. Sorry, and the fact that you need multiple kits to cater to the entire class, you do need some storage space to put these kits away when you need to. And because it is a digital platform, you do need Bluetooth access, internet access as well to be running these particular platforms. Now, internet not necessarily as much, but the Bluetooth, yes. You're using internet access when you're doing research on certain things. So these are some of the cons that are presented when working with Pascal Sparkvue. Now, this is a screencast by Armando Molina, myself, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was educational. And I know that if you use it in your classroom, not only will your students will be more engaged in the labs, but they will also learn at a much greater pace and more relevant to the actual industry that you're trying to introduce them to. Well, thank you very much once again. This is Armando Molina from EDU 180, and have a great day.